Are you ready to build a website that looks like it was crafted by a professional designer, even if you have zero coding skills? Today, we're diving deep into Tilda Website Builder, a platform that's revolutionizing how visually appealing, responsive websites are created through its unique block-based system. Tilda's core strength lies in its intuitive, block-based approach. You simply drag and drop pre-designed blocks onto your canvas, customizing them to fit your brand and content. This eliminates the need for any coding knowledge. One of the most impressive aspects of Tilda is its emphasis on design. The platform boasts a vast selection of professionally designed blocks, ensuring your website looks polished and modern. You can easily customize colors, fonts, and layouts to create a truly unique online presence. Responsiveness is crucial in today's mobile-first world, and Tilda excels in this area. Websites built with Tilda automatically adapt to different screen sizes, ensuring a seamless user experience across all devices. Tilda doesn't just focus on aesthetics, it also provides built-in SEO tools to help you optimize your website for search engines and track your website's performance through the analytics dashboard. Compared to traditional website builders or coding from scratch, Tilda offers a drastically simplified workflow. You can create stunning websites in a fraction of the time. So, is Tilda the right platform for you if you value beautiful design, ease of use, and responsive layouts without the need for coding? Then Tilda is definitely worth exploring. Check out the link in the description to try Tilda for free and see if it's the perfect fit for your website building needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more web design insights.